Hello, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. It'll really help out the YouTube algorithm. If you are returning, well, what's up? Alright, anyway, so this video is just going to be a quick tutorial in Embrilliance. If you guys are in Angela Jasmina's embroidery group, this question gets asked a lot, and I normally will comment on the video, but I'm starting to realize an actual video on how this works is a lot easier. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so if you are in Embrilliance, your setup should look just like this. So I'm going to show you the little technique on how to actually remove your hidden stitches. Most people will tell you when you have a design, you're going to click the little scissors icon right here, and it's supposed to get rid of your hidden stitches, but I'm here to tell you that is not as simple as it sounds. So I'm going to go ahead and merge two files, and I'm going to show you the proper way to remove your hidden stitches. When I say remove hidden stitches, what I mean is you are trying to get rid of overlap of your satin stitch. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a birthday theme. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to grab just some basic numbers, okay? So let's see. Let's just do, I guess I'll just stick with the number 8 because it's pretty big, okay? So let's go ahead and do a number 8. Okay, so I only have a 5x7 hoop, so it's easier to show you on what I normally use. So let's go ahead and click. So up here, that's your little, if you're new to Embrilliance, right here is just how you open up your files to merge them. And then let me go into my characters. And we'll just pick we'll just pick Bartleby. Okay, so Bartleby is too big. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do to make Bartleby fit in here is I'm going to click on this little fit to hoop, and then I'll stretch him out to be however I want to fit him in my hoop. Okay, so let's pretend my hoop is smaller and I need to overlap my design like this. Okay, all right. The next thing to remember is whatever you want to be on top, that has to be your second, whatever you want to call this, your second merge document. Okay, I want Bartleby to be over the 8, and everything underneath I want to get rid of. Okay, so my 8 is going first. I'm going to change my threads to my preferred, and then you see how you have 3 colors here. So this is your placement stitch, your tack down, and your satin. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the color for your placement stitch first. Okay, this dialog box is going to open. You're going to go up here, you're going to click applique. Okay, right here it says not applique. You're going to change that to applique position. Then you're just going to click OK. All right, I'll show you again. You're going to click on the color. When your dialog box pops up, you're going to click applique, and you're going to change this to applique position. You're going to click OK. Next, you're going to click on your second color, which is your tack down. Same dialog box is going to pop up. You're going to click on applique, and you're going to change this to applique material, which is your fabric, your HTV, whatever you're using. Okay, that's just for the first one. You're going to do the exact same thing for the second one. So when you have something that has like a lot of stitching, see how his eye is over there, what you have to do is you're gonna click on, you want to have it open like this so you can see what is what. So the first step in here is his body, so that's just the first color. Again, you're going to go over to applique, change it to applique position, click OK. You're going to go over to the tack down where you use your fabric. You're going to click the color, box opens up, applique material. Since his eye is a fill stitch, you don't have to do it. You can if you want to. It's totally up to you. If his eyes were applique, I don't think you need to do this for a fill stitch. So we're just gonna forget I even said anything. All right. So once you've done that, see it says applique position, applique material, applique position, applique material. You're gonna go over to your scissors. You're gonna click it. And now you see how it got rid of that entire satin stitch? That is how you want to remove your hidden stitches. That is going to get rid of all of this extra thread under there. You are going to have your position stitch thread and your tack down stitch thread. If you could see here when I move it, oh, let me go back. When I move it, right here, like right here, I can't let go of Bartleby or else it'll disappear. But you see how there's just this line here. This is going to be like a jump stitch. It's going to sew a little bit so that it can continue to go around your project. But you're not going to have the bulk of the satin stitch underneath it. So I'm just going to put it back like it was. Click my remove hidden stitches. When you continue editing your project, it is going to go away, but when you save it, so like let's see right here, I'm going to click save as stitch and working. I'm going to save it, let's see, in my documents, open up this file, and I'm just going to save it as tutorial. I can't spell, obviously. Save it. And then I'm going to go show you here. I'm going to open up a new window. I'm going to open up my documents, and wherever I saved this at, I'm going to go ahead and open the project again. And you can see here it's saved completely with removing my hidden stitches. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments and I will answer them. If you need another video explaining, definitely let me know. I'll do that as well. So yeah, thanks so much for watching and I hope this helps.